tonight's theme for this week is how you can change the future. Now, me and my little sister were wondering, how do you get fresh water out of salt water? So we thought of this experiment to find out. Now, we also wondered, would the colour of what we use change how much water we got? Let's find out. In some places of the world, there's not enough water to drink. There's a lot of salt water, but not enough fresh water. Also, it's better to do it with solar power instead of fossil fuels because fossil fuels are bad for the environment. My hypothesis is that the one that is painted back on the black on the outsides, not back, black on the outsides, will get the most since black is a very hot colour. So the more hot it is, the more the water will evaporate and then the more water will drip down into that other cup. And my little scientific assistant here, which is my little sister Celeste, is going to help me with this experiment. So we are going to paint the outside black. Now we're going to let it dry, aren't we? We are going to make seawater now by putting 2 grams of salt into this little measurement cup. Let's go. I'm not sure how to. Now that we have these down and this has dried, now we're going to start pouring in the salty water into the edges and make sure it does not go in the little cups. We're going to be extra careful. So we put some plastic on the top of each container and do it really tight. Now we put 2 little pebbles on top. All the evaporation water will come there and then just drip down back into the cup. But the little one, so it's separated. And now we'll leave the sun to do its work. So we're going to remove the rocks and then gently remove the rubber bands. And you can see loads of little water drops, right? Now we're going to measure it by a weigher. So it weighs 3.2 milliliters. So now we're going to do the black one and see if it got more than the clear one. And we are going to see if it worked. Now let's see how much it weighs. Now it weighs 7.5 milliliters, and that's way more than the last one since the last one was only 3.2 milliliters. So we have identified that the black one, got more water. My hypothesis was correct. Or was it? Bum, bum, bum. I think it may have not been correct because the little container that was in this one came a little loose. So maybe it just missed some of the drips. Our controls weren't so controlled. If you're making a big one for more than a few milliliters, I advise you get some underwater glue, also that fixes pools, because otherwise it might have the same mistake and you don't want that to happen. Bye!